So this is Pete. Everybody say hi to Pete. Pete the pelican. He's not really a pelican, but he thinks he's a pelican, and we don't tell him any different. Ain't that right, Pete? You're a pretty pelican. Yes, you are. He is apparently being chased by something, and he keeps trying to hide underneath everybody's vehicles. So we're saving Pete's life. He is now scale trash like the rest of us, huh, Pete? You scale trash? Exactly. We've taught him to drink water, and he can also say 87 different words, and he recognizes 72 of them. He's the smartest pelican on the dock. Matt gave him some sausage off his pizza. He chewed it up and threw up in his mouth. Let Pete eat it out of there. No, he didn't, but it sounded funny. Anyway, just wanted everybody to say hi to Pete. Huh, buddy? Pete the pelican. Scale trash. Out.